So the wife and I are taking a hike in Old Homosassa, Florida. We're exploring some short trails. One of our dogs wanted to go for a walk this morning, go for a car ride and a walk. So we brought her out here and we're gonna explore this little trail, check out the old sugar mill ruins, and probably pick up some fresh seafood on the way home. Let's check out the map. So we are here.
So if we go to straight.
Straight is the quickest route.
Alright, let's go.
Frozen, what are you doing?
I think you could go off on there.
Yeah.
Come on, Rose. Oh, there's a porta potty.
There is. Yeah, there is.
Oh, it's okay. I got my camera.
Where are you taking us?
We're looking to see what it was. Anything around. I'm worried about snakes.
I was just gonna say that.
Come on, Rose.
Let's go, Ro. Mystery Path. We'll have to visit that again another day.
Come on, Rose. Want me to go into the where am I walking? Oh, running.
Oh, really? Oh, wow, that's a nice little pavilion they got set up there. Oh wow. That was a short walk. This kayak launches? Yep. Oh, you good girl, Rosie.
Can't wait to see her going down. You might have to hold my phone.
Okay.
Gave me anxiety going up the thing.
Oh, there's a crab trap. What is that, like an osprey nest box up there? We'll use the top sight to line it up and then...
Oh, it's so cold through there.
Oh yeah. Yep. Check that out. So there you can see the heat waves coming through there. Good girl. Good girl, Rosie. Good girl. Come on. Come on. She can come. Let's go. Good girl. Yay. Good
I think
girl.
it's because I see those slats, so it scares the heck out of me.
Yeah.
Like, please don't fall through that.
Oh, birding trail.
I know. I'm going to go down that next. I have to wait for you to get my phone. Come on, Rose. Come on, Rosie. Come on, love muffin. Slow. I should make Daddy do this with you because you're giving me anxiety. You're more confident going down. My mom's heart rate goes to 117. Thank you. Alright, Rose. I love this.
This could be fiddler crab holes. Look at this tree. A bat box. See it up there? Oh yeah, with your new telephoto lens too.
I don't even so much with that. I just didn't have pictures on the camera instead of a phone.
Oh, that takes you out to the osprey nest hole. Must be low tide. That was a snake.
I'm done. I'm done.
Anyways, it kind of looks like a dog print.
No, the big one, it wasn't a dog.
Oh yeah, I see that.
The one is hers.
Oh my gosh. That's big. Whatever that is, that's a big animal.
I'm done.
Well, now you know there's snakes around.
I'm sure that was a racer. I probably would have stayed and tried to bite, but I don't need to risk her life.
Yeah, I couldn't see it, so
It
better
was
off
black.
not taking a chance.
It was long and black. That's all I knew.
Okay.
And we're by the water. So.
Yeah, as long as it wasn't gray.
Like, look.
Wow.
That's not her.
That's definitely not from our dog. That's a big print.
Camera doesn't even do it justice. Come on, Doodle.
What was it, bro?
You know we have like bobcats and
Mm-hmm. Especially out here.
could have been a bear. Who knows? You're in the state forest repeatedly. Black Theo.
You hear Bigfoot knocking? You didn't hear it? The tree knocks?
Go send it to your fucking Bigfoot. You have to delete that video.
No, we just gotta make sure it's blurry.
What's blurry? You see a map one?
No, if we see a Bigfoot, we have to make sure.
Well, your video you're recording right now. You said in your recording.
Yeah, I'll have to smudge the lens or something to shake it really violently.
You're not understanding what I'm saying.
What?
I just cursed. You can't post it on YouTube.
Oh.
Can't violate
Violate the terms of service.
Oh, stay with me. Now I know the big thing. You aren't gonna die going up the lighthouse. You're going on snake. No. Mommy does not like when you do that.
What'd she do?
Turn around and look, like she heard something behind her.
Oh.
I don't know why this one creeps me out worse than the one that's by us, because I know the one by us has wild pigs.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I have no problem walking it. Long time.
I think it went south when you saw that big footprint.
Well, I think it went south when I saw the big footprint and saw the huge snake.
Yeah.
I big spot!
That's cool that it's exactly how it would have been set up.
What do you mean this is an actual place?
Huh?
This is the actual place.
I know, but sometimes they find like artifacts and they just kind of put them off to the side so you can look at them, but it's actually still set up the way that it would have been when it was in use. Oh, that's a shame the thing's missing from here. Cool, so that's the boiler. This thing ran off of a steam engine. So when that thing was turning, they would feed the sugar cane in those rollers, and it would squeeze the juices out of the cane, and that's what they would use they would dry it and get the sugar out of the juice. It's pretty neat. I probably passed this thing a couple hundred times, never stopped to actually take a look at it. It's a cute little park here.
Where is the boat? Driving past the car, they're eating at little one on top of it. This little, it's supposed to be good food. I don't care for it. We ate there once, and everybody else to go there. They blocked the middle. There's nothing right home about. It's expensive.
Ooh, I don't even think we can get through here.
Wawa, yeah. Just look at it. Wawa.
But I'm sure as cold as it's been, it'll be crowded out here next week.